You will learn today to master the recipe for Chicken Tikka Masala. Behind butter chicken, tikka masala is probably the second most requested dish in the world. Remember, always try to use Indian spices, all of which you can buy at your local Indian food store. Vikrant, can we get started, please?
Yes, thank you, Isha. First, this is a recipe for two people, and we will use about 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, garam masala, cumin, chili, and salt. Pour these spices into a half-gallon plastic marination bag. And next, we add about 1 tablespoon of diced ginger and garlic. Followed by 3 or 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and lastly, white chicken breast meat cut into roughly 1-inch cubes. Blend well and set aside for about 2 hours. It is always good to leave a marinade overnight in the fridge, but if you are in a hurry, 2 hours is okay. We will now fry the chicken and try to brown it before we set it aside. We added a few Indian bay and curry leaves to bolden the flavor a bit. You can use any oil, but we like to cook in mustard oil.
Now we will build the sauce that makes tikka masala so famous. We start as always with onions and allow them to soften. Then we add another mixture of spices that consists of about 1 teaspoon of cumin, garam masala, coriander, cardamom, chili and salt. Mix it very well.
Thank you, Isha. Now we will add ginger and garlic, same as we did for the marinade. And now we are almost finished. We will add tomatoes and tomato paste, pour in a cup of heavy cream, return the chicken, and simmer the mixture for about 15 minutes. Then we will garnish with fresh cilantro. And as with most Indian dishes, this pairs well with your choice of rice and or naan. Mango chutney also makes for a delicious pairing.
Wow, that is amazing, Vikrant. The flavors are simply incredible and the wonderful aroma fills the air in the restaurant. To our guests, please subscribe, share, like and ring the bell if you enjoy our videos, and stay tuned for our next recipe. See you then. Thank you and bye now.